In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sync apps with Make, so you can automate the flow of data between your favorite tools without writing a single line of code. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, log in to Make by opening your browser and heading to make.com. Sign into your account and access your workspace. This is where all your automation magic will happen. Once you're in, click Scenarios from the left navigation menu. Then select Create a new scenario. This is your blank canvas, and everything you build will live right here. Now, click the plus button on that canvas to add your first app. Search for the app you want to use as your data source. Common examples include Google Sheets, Airtable, Notion, Gmail, or MailerLite. Once you've selected it, you'll need to choose a trigger module. This is the event that starts your automation, so pick one that detects new or updated data, like Watch New Rows, Watch Records, Watch Database Items, or Watch Emails. Click Add Connection, sign into that app, and authorize Make to access it. Then configure the trigger by selecting the specific spreadsheet, table, database, or folder you want to monitor and save your settings. Next, click the plus icon right after your trigger module to add your second app. This is your destination. Search for it, then choose an action module that creates or updates data. Good options are Create Record, Update Record, Add Row, or Create Database Item. Add a connection for this destination app and grant the necessary permissions. Now configure it by choosing the target spreadsheet, table, database, or folder where you want the data to land. Here's where the real work happens: mapping fields. You'll match fields between your source and destination apps, like name to name, email to email, status to status. This tells Make exactly which data goes where. Click OK to save the module, then it's time to test. Click Run once, then add or update a record in your source app. Open your destination app and confirm the data copied over successfully. That's your very first sync. For a more advanced setup, you can enable two-way sync by creating a second scenario that reverses the source and destination apps. This way, updates in either app are reflected in the other. You can also add filters to sync only specific records, like those where status equals active or category equals customer. To keep things clean, use search modules before creating new records to avoid duplicates. And configure update modules so existing records are modified instead of recreated. Test those updates by changing data in the source app and verifying it appears in the destination. Finally, review your data mapping to make sure all important fields are syncing correctly. You've just built a powerful automation that keeps your tools in perfect harmony. Thanks for watching and happy automating.